Hear people talk. They don't understand everything, but they still listen. So I decide to do the same. I will learn English like a child. I will listen. I will listen every day. I don't need to understand every word. I just need to hear the sounds, the rhythm, the music of English. I want to train my ears. I take my phone. I search for English podcasts for beginners. I find one called Slow English Stories. The voice is slow and clear. I listen to the first story. It is about a girl who goes to the market. The story is simple. I understand most of it. I smile. I feel good. Then I find another podcast. It is just 5 minutes long. The speaker talks about daily life, eating breakfast, taking the bus, going to work. I listen carefully. I try to repeat some sentences after the speaker. I don't repeat all of them, just the short ones. My voice is soft, but I speak. After that, I go to YouTube. I search for easy English conversations. I find videos where two people speak slowly. One says, "Hello, how are you?" The other says, "I'm fine. Thank you. And you?" I know these words. I pause the video. I repeat the sentence. I say it again and again. I learn a new way to listen. I don't listen like before. I don't listen for fun. I listen for learning. I listen with purpose. I listen with focus. I listen to copy. I listen to understand. I listen to grow. I make a small plan for my day. When I cook breakfast, I play an English audio. I listen while I cut vegetables. I listen while the water boils. I don't look at the phone. I just listen. My hands work, but my ears learn. When I clean my room, I put on another podcast. I listen to how people say things. I notice the words they stress. I hear how their voice goes up and down. I feel the rhythm of English. I don't repeat during cleaning. I just listen and feel. Later, I go for a walk. I take my headphones. I play a short story in English. I listen again and again. The same story, 3 times. Every time, I understand more. I hear something new. I feel proud of myself. Sometimes I don't understand. That's okay. I don't stop. I don't feel bad. I know that even if I don't understand today, my ears are getting stronger. Just like a baby. At night, before I sleep, I play one last audio, a bedtime story in English. I close my eyes and listen. I don't understand every word, but the voice is calm. The words are soft. My brain listens. My heart listens. I sleep with English in my ears. This is how I learn English now. I listen every day. I don't study. I don't memorize. I don't write. I just listen. Like a child. I listen at breakfast. I listen while walking. I listen when I clean. I listen before sleep. And slowly, something starts to happen. I start to think in English. I start to hear English in my mind, even when I am not listening. English becomes a part of my world. If you want to speak English, first learn to listen. If you want to talk well, first listen well. Listening is not passive, it is powerful. Your ears are your first teachers. Train them, use them, trust them. Chapter 3. Reading that changed my life. It is a rainy afternoon. I sit near the window with a hot cup of tea. I feel quiet. I feel calm. I remember my teacher once said, "Reading is the secret to fast learning." I think about that. I open my phone and search, "Easy English Stories for Beginners." I want to try reading today. I find a short story. It is called A Day in the Park. The sentences are very simple. Tom wakes up, he eats breakfast, he goes to the park. I know almost all the words. I start reading slowly, out loud. I speak every word clearly. I feel happy. This is not difficult. I can do it. I finish the story in 5 minutes. I read it again. This time, I understand more. The third time, I read faster. My voice is smoother. My eyes move quicker. I smile. I feel good. I didn't just read words. I lived inside the story. I saw Tom. I saw the park. That day, I decide to read every day. Not long stories, not hard books, just easy English. 10 or 15 minutes is enough. The goal is not to finish a book. The goal is to enjoy the words and grow. Next day, I find a story about a girl